How to pay your insurance bill in BCBS mobile app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to pay your insurance bill in BCBS mobile app. So let's get started. So if you have your BCBS application, you can always log in with your application. For now, I'll simply show you from a website. So just head over to your BCBS based on your location, whether it could be Michigan or Texas. Just log into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, just head over to your individual and family section from the menu, and just you will be redirected to this pay my bill option over here. So as you can see, as I mentioned previously, you just have to log into pay or choose another way to pay your Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas monthly bill. So it could be any location. So there are some online payment options. So you can pay as a guest for one-time guest payment, which will require no any login. And you can also actually pay with first premium payment, where your premium is monthly cost to keep your coverage active. And you can also actually fill the auto bill pay, where you will simply have to sign up through your member account, and when you sign up for auto bill, you will earn $10 in Blue points rewards. So in this example, I'll simply show you as in guest payment. So just head over to any of your payment of your choice, and once you choose that, make sure to fill all of these mentioned things over here, such as member ID, date of birth, billing zip code, and just click on continue and simply follow the on-screen instruction to successfully make a payment through your payment process. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.